In this video, I will show you how to fix MyFitnessPal not syncing to Apple Health. First, open the Apple Health app just to make sure your setup looks fine. Then, head back to your home screen and open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. From there, scroll down again and choose Motion and Fitness. Inside, look for MyFitnessPal in the list. If the switch next to it is turned off, just toggle it on to allow syncing. Once you've done that, go back and reopen MyFitnessPal so the changes can refresh. You may need to wait a moment or two, but after that, your activity and nutrition data should start syncing correctly with Apple Health. And that's how to fix MyFitnessPal not syncing with Apple Health.